Hi guys, what's up and welcome back. As you guys have already read the title of this video, today's video is going to be all about how to look good without any makeup. Now if you are someone just like me, I don't like putting a lot of makeup on my face. I just hate makeup a lot, but now that it's my job, YouTube and everything, I do it. But in past there have been instances in my life where I have even attended someone's wedding without any makeup. Yeah, those were the days. But anyway, I want to more talk about how you can take care of your skin and your body in a good manner. And no, you do not have to wake up every morning and spend a lot of time doing your whole face. There are so many other things which we often tend to forget, but at the same time that is important when it comes to your skin or taking care of your स्किन इन जनरल. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. गाइस, आज बहुत शोर है बाहर, सब रोड पे आ गए हैं. एनीवे, ओके, सो द फर्स्ट थिंग विच आई एम करेंटली डूइंग whenever I get up in morning, and also the first thing and the only thing when I go to bed, is massage my face with this jade roller. This is something which I have recently ordered off from Amazon, बहुत ही randomly, and it's a rose quartz crystal jade roller. I don't know if it's a real crystal, but Amazon पे it's written it's real. But anyway, it's giving me nice results. Okay, so what I do is, like, if I'm getting up in morning, I just massage my face very gently with this, and this small one is for your under eye area. Okay, so personally, whenever I wake up, I get puffy eyes, and जो ये वाला area है ना around my cheek and under my eye, it gets very swollen, so it kind of helps me calm that thing down. And otherwise also, you guys have seen, जब से मैंने थोड़ा सा weight gain किया, I have gotten some this thing on my cheeks also, so it kind of helps me get in a good shape, so that is kind of helping me out that way. And guys, this is not the only thing which I use before going to bed. There was one more thing I forgot to tell you. Okay, so I also try to take care of my under eye area, and anyway, you guys have been asking me about a good remedy to take care of your dark circles. Okay, so personally what I do is I just take little bit of coconut oil on my ring finger, and I just massage it very gently around my eye area, and that is it. Like, I've been doing it daily for like so many years, and that is actually kind of helping me out, so I just wanted to share it with you guys as well. And now that we're talking about eyes, there's one more thing which has helped take care of my eyes in a very good way, and it has also helped me take away my dark circles, because मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा problem थी dark circles की, and no matter कि मैं कोई भी remedy use करूँ, or no matter whatever I do ना, it was still there. Okay, so I eventually got these Blu-ray वाले spectacles for myself. Now these were the glasses जो कि people use who used to have a 9 to 5 desk job, or who used to work so much on their laptop or computers. But I guess these days everyone should have at least one of these, because that kind of help take care of your eyes, of course, because let's be honest, we are always on our phones or laptops, and the blue light which comes from our devices is very harmful for our eyes, and these kind of Blu-ray glasses help me protect my eyes from that. Obviously we cannot see that from our naked eyes, and whenever I'm not wearing my glasses, I always get tired from my eyes. Like, my eyes hurt so much, and जो भी stress होता है, that is a major reason for you to get your dark circles at this age. So always wear your glasses, and I would recommend Blu-ray sunglasses, not sunglasses, Blu-ray glasses. Okay, so next comes our face. I know you guys must be thinking about if we are not going to be doing any makeup, and if you have any acne problem, and if you want to go somewhere and you just want to hide it. I mean, it's your own personal thing if you want to hide it. So how can you do it? How can you take care of your acne or any spot? Like, I also have spots going on right over here, but ये बहुत ज़्यादा कम हो गए हैं, and I have also shared my remedy, like बहुत ही ऐसे natural, organic, free remedy which you can do it by your own self, and that is going to be very helpful taking care of your acne to a very tremendous level. Okay, so what I do is, whenever I wake up in morning, so I just wipe my face with a tissue. That's it. I don't wash my face, and उसके बाद I just put my saliva, I just take it out on my finger, and I just apply it on my problematic area. For example, ये bump मुझे अभी थोड़ा सुबह आया था, it was very red, and मैंने इस पर saliva लगाया सुबह उठते ही, and ये बहुत ही अब tiny सा हो गया है, and कल तक ये चला भी जाएगा, so it kind of helps dry up your acne very quickly and it's your own natural thing. So I think that you shouldn't be feeling very yucky about it. I mean, I know you will feel yucky thoda sa initially, but once you will start seeing the results, now you'll be like, oh my god, why didn't I try this pehle? And yeah, so this saliva wala routine is something which I do in morning, but there are also so many other things which I take care of throughout the whole day, which help me take care of my acne a lot and also helps me, you know, to stop the new acne to form on my face. So there was this article which I was randomly reading on the internet, and it was about face mapping. So in it was basically mentioned ki why acne comes on your face on different areas and what it actually means. So for example, if you're getting acne on your hairline, it means that you are not removing your makeup properly or your shampoo is not suiting your face. Chances are it is suiting your hair but not your face. So what you can do is always shampoo your hair first and then wash your face. So whatever the product is, the shampoo product is left on your face, it will be washed up with your face wash. So that's that. Next, if acne is coming on your cheek area, it means you have to take care of your surroundings. Now, surrounding means your mobile phone first. It's the, you know, we rarely clean our mobile phones, okay? But this time I've made a habit of cleaning my mobile phone before going to bed. Basically, each day I clean my mobile phone जब भी मुझे time मिलता है, and that's good, and that also kind of is helping my acne to reduce on a good level. As you can see, यहाँ पे मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा acne आते थे. You can see the spots also, but now that's not here because I'm trying to keep my surroundings clean. Also, I try to, you know, change my pillow covers every 2 days or 3 days because you're always sleeping on that and you kind of want to keep that thing clean also. So do that. And acne on your chin area comes if your diet is changing or your hormone is changing, which is very normal, and they keep coming and going. And on your nose area, acne will come if you have a very oily T-zone, just like me. I also had one pimple here, but that kind of went away because I did my saliva wala routine. So that's that. I also try to keep a tissue paper or a bloating paper along with me, and throughout the whole day, if I feel like this area is way too oily, I just dab it simply to remove that excess oil, and that's kind of working very well for me. I also try to use a scrub once a week, and yeah, that's it. Okay guys, so next are lips. We keep using so many products on our lips, but rarely are the times when we actually give it a lot of time to, you know, keep them healthy. Okay, so what I do is, first thing, so whenever I'm brushing, I always try to scrub it on my lips बहुत ही gently so that that white thin layer which comes on it when you wake up in morning, that kind of, you know, goes away. I don't know if I'm the only one who faces that. Let me know that white little thing which comes on your lips. That's way too annoying. Okay, so second thing which I do on my lips is I DIY my own very natural organic DIY lip scrub. Okay, so what I do is I just use little bit of sugar, white sugar. You can use any sugar. I just use random ghar wala white sugar, and usme just squeeze few drops of lemon and half a tablespoon of honey. Just mix it well even with your fingers and just apply and scrub very gently on your lips. There were times जब मैंने बहुत ही harshly scrub कर दिया था अपने lips पे and मुझे थोड़ी problem हो गई थी. Don't do that. Learn from the masters. Scrub very gently and just remove it with normal tap water, and yeah, there is your baby soft lips ready. I just use it once or twice a week, and yeah, you can do it even daily. I mean, it's totally up to you. गाइस मैं थक गई बैठ के, तो हम थोड़ा नॉर्मली बैठने की ट्राई करेंगे. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट कम्स माय बेसिक स्किन केयर रूटीन. नाउ अपार्ट फ्रॉम दीज बेसिक DIY वाला थिंग्स, एक सेकेंड में कहाँ देख के बात कर रही हूँ. It's very confusing. Today I tried to shoot from my mobile phone and it's confusing. I'm sorry अगर मैं इधर उधर देख रही हूँ तो. I just realized it in the middle of my video. Why? So you guys know and have also seen in my so many skincare videos that I always use my Acne-Lac face wash along with Izanic gel 20%. Now these things are prescribed by my dermatologist and are working well for my skin, and I would highly recommend you guys that if you are having severe skin acne or any sort of skin problem, do consult a dermatologist because obviously they can help consult you in a better way, and they will always, you know, help you take care of your diet, and they will just help you in a good way. So always consult a dermatologist. Okay, so next comes your hair. I oil and wash my hair twice a week, and I read this in an article बहुत ही ज़्यादा randomly that we shouldn't be keeping our hair in oil for more than an hour, because after that it promotes dandruff, and I was actually facing dandruff problem from a very long time. I didn't pay any attention कि I'm keeping oil in my hair for more than an hour, and I actually worked on it, and yes, the dandruff has gone completely, so that's great. Also whenever I wash my hair ना, so उसके बाद I do this very cool trick. Okay, so जो थोड़ा सा damp hair होता है उसमें I just take ऐसे थोड़ा सा half section of my hair, बहुत कैसे randomly, nothing very clean, and I just take a rubber band and I just put my hair in a half pony, like ऐसे random bun, बहुत ही ज़्यादा messy, and I just leave them to dry very naturally. And when I open them after it's all dried, here comes a little secret. Yeah, there are my waves. That's how I do my waves, guys. Now the secret is out. I try to avoid a lot of heating equipment and tools on my hair, because obviously that's not healthy for your hair. And yeah, how do I look? Such natural beachy waves. You don't have to do anything. Like anywhere you're washing your hair, and even if you're not washing your hair now, just spray some water on your hair and just do this trick whenever you have to go somewhere now. Like it's very handy. Okay guys, so next thing which I do whenever I'm getting ready, and obviously we are not using any makeup, so you can just curl your lashes, of course. I mean, you can count this. Okay, so I just curl my lashes, and I love doing it all the time, because that just instantly opens up your eyes so much. Love it. And yeah, that just makes me feel pretty when I'm having a bad mood. That's so weird, but that's just how it is. Okay, so instead of using any blusher or lipstick on my face, what I do is I DIY my own tint, which I use both on my cheeks and lips. Okay, so I take one beetroot चुकंदर and उसको grate करके जो उसका juice निकलता है ना, उसको just take a little bit on your finger and just apply it on your cheeks and lips, and you're just done. And that just looks so natural. I mean, no one can guess कि तुमने कुछ लगाया हुआ है. I've done it so many times, even in my videos, and you guys love that. So guys, that was it for today. These were all my secrets which I just spilled out in front of you guys because I love you like that. But anyway, you can also call them, little tips and tricks or small hacks which we all should do, because anyway these are helpful, right? So yeah, let me know how was the video, and make sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any more skincare or DIY or कोई भी ऐसा hack ना which you do, let me know. I'm in a dire need to try more new things, so yeah, help me out. And yeah, that's it. I love you guys. Bye bye.